morning. We are on day 6-ish of our vacation here at Disney World. I'm just repainting my nails. I almost dropped a bottle like 2 seconds ago all over this table, so that would have been bad. Today's just a chill day for us. We're just gonna go to Target, probably get lunch somewhere super American, like Olive Garden, I think is our plan right now. Yeah, we might chill by the pool if it's warm enough. If not, we'll probably just go to Disney Springs. Or check out some of the other resorts because we haven't gotten a chance to do that yet. We had a bit of a fiasco this morning. When I got out of the shower, I saw like a massive spider on the ground, which is fine. We're on the ground floor of a hotel in Florida, so I expected it. It wasn't a big deal. So I yelled at Michael to come in and kill it because even though I was prepared to see one on this trip, I was not prepared to get rid of it. And normally I'm like pro just getting bugs outside and not killing them. But when Michael came in and saw the spider and came down to like the ground to get rid of it, he noticed that there were spiders all over the bathroom floor, like little baby spiders crawling everywhere. And there's actually a hole in the corner of the bathroom wall, and spiders were just coming out of there like crazy. They were all over the towel we placed on the floor as the floor mat, and they were just everywhere. And I was freaking out because I hadn't noticed the ones on the floor. So I had showered and stepped down with my bare feet, and my clothes were in a pile on the floor. Well, not my clothes, my pajamas were on a pile on the floor. So I'm losing my mind, and Michael had to like get his shoes and stomp all over the spiders, and we had to try and clean them up with a towel. And yeah, that was a really good way to start my morning. We already felt awake because we got to sleep in for the first day, but that really got the blood pumping. They were just everywhere. I love Florida. The weather's beautiful and there are lizards everywhere, but damn, when you stay on the ground floor, the bugs just do not quit. So that all being said, Michael's dressed, I'm dressed and ready to go. We're probably gonna grab breakfast either at the restaurant in the hotel or see if we can find a McDonald's or something near the Target we're headed to, and then just get started on our very American day. We made it.
We made it.
We made it.
I want to touch it. I want to touch it.
Wow.
Yeah, it's wet.
Haha. This is a massive Target. Now I'm gonna put this away because I look sketchy. So a successful Target run from us.
We got bags.
Yeah, between both of us we spent like $140, which isn't bad.
No.
I spent $64 and got some granola bars for my dad's girlfriend, 2 sweater shorts, a t-shirt, and some Airheads because they're really hard to find. Now we're just gonna, are you hungry now?
Yeah, I'm starving.
Yeah, so now we're just gonna head to Olive Garden because he's never been and enjoy some cheap pasta.
Yeah.
Okay, the most crazy thing just happened. I wish I got it on video. I said, where are the bleep lizards? And as soon as I said that, one just came out and ran across us. And it was so cute. I don't know, that's one of the things I love about Florida, how there's just lizards everywhere. Like the way Toronto has squirrels and stuff. They just run past your feet and come out of nowhere. It was so cute. Maybe next lizard we see we'll get on video. We made it! Olive Garden! Olive Garden, here we come! I hate vlogging on the side of this main street. It's so loud and so uncomfortable. But we made it to Olive Garden! Baby's
Very
first
excited.
time at Olive Garden.
Very hungry and excited.
Got our free breadsticks, our cheese marinara sauce. How are the breadsticks, Michael?
Yummy, and the sauce is even better.
Just keeps getting better. We got our house salad. Yummy. We got some watermelon margaritas.
Some good stuff.
We are having the time of our lives and the pasta hasn't even showed up yet. So. Kids first, Olive Garden. What'd you get,
I got
Asiago?
the Asiago tortellini with chicken.
Chicken. I got some ravioli with marinara. Okay, take your
Cheese pull.
your first ever Olive Garden bite. Go for it. Where are we going?
To the your flip flop.
I just dropped my shoe. Like, can you see it? My hairy legs.
We're going
Where are we
to
going?
the 90s pool. I think it's shaped like a TV.
I think it's called the computer pool
The computer
or the keyboard pool. I don't know, but we're gonna do some exploring because we've only seen like the front half of the resort. Exploring something new each day. Look, the potato heads. Ooh. Oh, I see the pool.
Oh,
pool
sick.
straight ahead.
I feel like her name's Martha.
Mrs. Potato Head?
Yeah.
I feel like her name's Mrs. Potato Head.
That's true.
So the 90s pool was actually a lot colder than we thought it was going to be. There was literally not any bit of sunlight. Everything was in the shade. So we're going to walk over to the 60s pool, which is open. I didn't think it was open because I swear I read something online about it not being open, but it is, which is good. And it felt like it was more in the sun. So I think we're going to try that out instead. So this resort is really big on playing music, obviously from the 50s to the 90s. So I started to hear Baby One More Time, and I was like, great song choice, but it's even better because it's the Glee version. It's Leah Michelle. Show me how you want it to be. Okay, so we tried to swim. We genuinely did. We were probably in there for a good like 5-10 minutes, but it is so cold. The sun is so in and out of the clouds that even when it's hot, it doesn't last for a long enough time. So we got out because we cannot do it anymore. But perk is, I thought they were just playing the Glee version of Baby One More Time, but we're currently on the fourth Glee song. It's Leah Michelle and Corey Monteith's version of Don't Go Breaking My Heart. They played Defying Gravity when we were in the pool, and I fully stopped what I was doing, and I was like, yes. Just floating on my back while listening to the Glee version of Defying Gravity at Disney World. Nothing like it. We're just gonna relax here for a bit and enjoy the Glee music, and we're gonna go get Chicken Guy at Disney Springs for dinner and maybe finish up some souvenir shopping, and that's sort of our only plan for the day.
Oh, nice. It's nice how chill it is.
We're taking it easy. Oh my god. They're playing Don't Stand So Close to Me, the Glee version. They're not just playing Glee songs, they're playing like the most ridiculous ones. I just want the record to show that they're still playing.
Glee.
They're still
Just
playing
30 minutes.
Glee. It's been like a half hour, and I've just been on my Instagram like recording me singing along to them. Right now it's the Klain version of Baby It's Cold Outside, which is pretty fitting, but this is my new favorite resort. I'm only gonna stay at resorts that play Glee on loop from now on. This is so good. So I am changed and dressed, and my makeup is reapplied from the pool. Michael and I are just headed out to Disney Springs for the night. We're just gonna have a chill evening. We're gonna get Chicken Guy for dinner, probably much later. We're still really full from Olive Garden, but we're probably gonna go back to World at Disney and just sort of see what Disney Springs actually has to offer. It was really dark and really crowded when we went on Saturday night, so we were sort of just walking around in aimless circles. So we're gonna properly try to enjoy it today. And yeah, we're really excited to get Chicken Guy, and they're like 20-30 sauces, whatever it is. I'm wearing this little sweater I got from Target today. It's pink. I normally only wear black or white, so this is exciting for me. I really like it. It was super cheap. It was like $8. I'm obsessed with Target. Thank you. But yeah, Michael's ready.
This is my outfit. I got a cool Mickey striped tee from Uniqlo. Uniqlo jeans, they feel like sweatpants, pretty cool. Adidas Ultra Boost 3.0. Some Spider-Man socks. And then this cool Mickey hat from Target.
Question. He says Uniqlo. I used to say Uniqlo, but now I normally say Uniqlo because that's how he says it. It's the store, like UNIQLO. I don't know what the correct pronunciation is. I hear like everyone pronounce it a different way. Uniqlo, Uniqlo, I don't know if there's more than those two ways to pronounce it, but I don't know. I need to do a survey. We're here at Disney Springs, and it looks really pretty. And I don't know where we're gonna go first, but I'm so excited. I really love it here. It's so pretty. It feels like just really calm and peaceful right now because it's not busy. So, good stuff. Good night. Good way to end the day. We are in World of Disney, which we already went to on Saturday, but is my dream, my home, everything I've ever wanted in my life. This is just the store that never ends. It has 12 rooms and it's just so large. There's every type of souvenir you could ever want. Last time we only walked out with a Minnie Mouse doll for my cousin and Michael got a Spirit jersey, but I don't know, we might have to buy some more things. I hate Disney World, I want to buy everything.
It's heavy.
This is so heavy. What's this used for?
I think it's a candle holder.
It's heavy. I told myself no more stuffed animals after I bought Kermit, but they're so cute. I've bought 2. How many have I gotten? 2?
Maybe.
No, one of them's not for myself.
Oh.
So I've gotten 2 for myself. Those are hard to pack in
you got 2
suitcases.
in one day.
I'm obsessed with this Spirit jersey. Oh my god. And they have the Pizza Planet Spirit jersey too. Someone unfolded it, but it's so nice.
Hey, did you just get this from Target?
I got a white one.
Oh.
I love this backpack too, but it's $120. And I'm sorta a little too broke for that, but next time I'm in Disney, I'll get it. Oh, the hat hair, full effect, looking adorable.
These are my favorite ears.
Yeah, you would get those. Those aren't even ears, that's just a headband. That's just a headband at this point.
Tail?
Yeah. Super cute. It's Anna and Elsa.
Oh my god, I didn't see that.
With the tree.
That's so cool.
Oh, and they put the little Sven with them. Oh my god.
It's an action figure too.
They have Sterling K. Brown and Jonathan Groff, the only men I trust. I need to be taken out of this store and never brought back. I still have souvenirs to buy for people and I'm like, what do I get myself? It's a nice watch. Fancy.
Watch?
It's a nice wallet. I need to go to bed. Oh my god, that's so cool. It's Maleficent and Prince Philip. That is made out of Lego.
That's insane. Look at going through the water.
That is Lego. Oh my god. Cinderella, Cinderella. Oh my god. She's super lit up, but she's so pretty.
Serious?
Oh my god, it's Woody Boss. Oh my god.
This is insane.
Oh my god. That is so detailed. Got the donkey sauce, which sounds absolutely disgusting, but Michael wanted it. Got the Nashville hot honey, some cumin line mojo.
Mojo.
No. Buffalo sauce, teriyaki sauce, and peri peri sauce. And the chicken tenders are looking delicious. Has the donkey sauce.
It's aioli.
It's aioli?
It's just aioli.
Maybe I'll try a little bit. Our verdict is that the lime, the peri peri, and the buffalo are the best. Teriyaki's really good, but it tastes so much like the soy sauce that they drizzle on sushi at most places, so it just tastes like sushi for some reason, but it's really good. The Nashville hot whatever isn't too good. It's a little too sugary, but everything else is delicious.
It's really good. The sauces are really good. The chicken, okay.
Oh, I love the chicken. I think that's really good. We're all done at Chicken Guy. Super yummy. Now we're just in the Coke store. I want all the merch in here. It's all very cute. Oh, they have a backpack. That's so cute. I love this wallet. Is this a wallet? Yeah. I love that. Found your dad hat?
Found my dad hat.
I really like the texture. Like I love, like this angle I have it at right now is so cute, but then has this stupid knit or like net back. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, it's
It doesn't fit my head right. Does it get these little like bumps?
Yeah, I don't know.
Good, so I'm gonna waste my money.
Your middle part.
I know.
I don't think it's the one. Look at the Fanta one. What's this? Mellow yellow.
Why do the truckers get the coolest ones?
The truckers really do get the nicest ones. Oh, but this one's cute.
That one's very cute.
We found more merchandise on the second floor. It's all the nice stuff, yeah. This is like ornaments and houseware. Oh, this is real nice. Oh my god, all the glassware.
Everyone has these cups. Every family has these cups.
Yes, I can confirm that my dad has these cups.
I have these cups.
I love the pink one. Our birthday months are our favorite colors. I got pink.
I got blue.
Michael got blue. Oh, they're so cute. Such a hoe for Christmas ornaments. You know I was gonna go for the sparkly ones. Oh, the Fanta. I love me some orange soda. Oh, this little guy. Oh my god. How cute. A baby.
Little baby.
I don't even have a Christmas tree. My roommate bought one that he put like 5 ornaments on. And I already bought one Christmas ornament this vacation. I need to buy a tree if I keep buying ornaments. Michael gave me a flower. Alcohol very quickly acquired. I got this grapefruit, 2% nonsense, but it tastes really good.
Mine's really good.
What is it?
It tastes like Yangling, but it's like a spin-off of that one, but it's more darker.
I feel like an old person drinking beer in Disney Springs. Just another Tuesday. Okay, so we are leaving Disney Springs for the night. I got a mug for my best friend. I might see if they have a small tangled something for her, like a pin or something in Animal Kingdom tomorrow. But I grabbed her a really cute Mulan mug. And yeah, we're gonna be back here probably either tomorrow night or Thursday morning, which is when our flight leaves. Or our flight leaves on Thursday, which is why we'll come here in the morning probably to kill some time. It's really upsetting to think it's that close. So I'm gonna be back here. I'll probably buy that cotton candy mini, which I know I said no more stuffed animals, but I'm like, I need it. Went on vacation, you know? That's it for us tonight. I might, like I said, do a little Target haul later, but other than that, we'll see you tomorrow for our last full day.
Oh no! Bye.
Our last full day at Animal Kingdom. Bye.
We wake up so early.
Bye.